Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon.
Let us welcome Mrs. Jolie Koteja, and I'll now hand over to Jitendra Bhai for further introduction, and he will take care of the entire session today. Over to
So,
you, Jitendra Bhai.
good afternoon, everyone. And no, it's my pleasure to talk about Mrs. Jolly Kotecha. She has been a friend, philosopher, and a guide to me. Jolly is a classic example of you should follow your passion. So she has an interesting career journey. She was set out to become a chartered accountant, but then she chose to become no, to she chose to chase her passion, and she ended up becoming a trainer. So, Jolly is a trained access bar facilitator, a sound therapist, a clinical hypnotherapist, NLP practitioner, and a color therapist. She has over 18 years of professional experience as a trainer. She has worked with schools like Anand Niketan, Tripada, DAV, Divya Jyot, and many more in Ahmedabad. She has worked with colleges like Karnataka University, Somlalit, SM Patel, Dharam Singh Desai University. Corporate on the corporate side, she has worked with Zydus, Apollo, Hitachi, and various other small and medium businesses. Till date, Jolly has trained more than 10,000 people from multiple backgrounds, like students, parents, blue collar workers, white collar workers, executives, CXO level executives. So I'm so happy to announce her to the group, and then I hand over to Jolly to take it forward from here.
Thank you, Jitendra. So when a friend introduces me, now I am more cautious, because I can hear the love that he has for me in his voice. Thank you, Jitendra. Thank you so much for believing in me. That's very important. So I assume that everybody are into recruitments. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And by default, all recruiters are trainers. I hope you all understand this. By default, because the kind of work that you all are doing, you all have the ability and you all must be at some point of time giving trainings. English is the right language that we talk in, or you want me to merge Hindi and English together? The choice is for the participants.
It's okay. Both you can
Oh,
use
okay,
both of
okay, fine.
mix of both. Yeah.
So, why did Jitendra call me? I'm into soft skill training from last 18 years. I've been into training, but I've been very honest with myself. जब मैं ट्रेनिंग्स करने जाती थी वो 2 दिन फील गुड फैक्टर ट्रेनर्स को मिल जाता था जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स होते थे जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती थी but I could not quantify how much time this training would last with the participants or how much time this participants would apply the techniques and the tools that we have shared in the training, and that made me really upset. So more than expecting it from others, I had a lot of expectations from myself. And being an honest person to the core, I said, करना है तो अच्छे से करना है, mistakes को accept करके आगे बढ़ना है. That is how I opened up to the subconscious mind. I said, जब तक इंसान को अभी आपसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, अब सुन रहे हो, you have your own perception. There is a subconscious mind already storing a lot of things which you don't know. But there is a conscious mind who's also filtering जो मैं कह रही हूँ या ये सुना हुआ है ठीक है ये हाँ मेरे को भी you know. So basically I was not working with one person. I was working with his body. I was working with the two minds that he has, plus lot of emotions that are stored. तो जब भी मैं ट्रेनिंग्स में जाती थी मुझे लगा कि आई नीड टू ओपन अप द होल स्पेस फॉर द पार्टिसिपेंट्स एंड फॉर दैट आई नीड टू बी इक्विप्ड विद द राइट काइंड ऑफ टूल्स. दैट्स हाउ आई ओपन माय जर्नी फॉर थेरेपीज. आई सेड सीखना सब मोडालिटीज है. सो आई एम अ वेरी पैशनेट लर्नर. मैं क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपी भी सीखने गई, एनएलपी भी. मुझे आज भी अगर कोई बोले ना मैम यहाँ पे एक ये वर्कशॉप है, ये मोडालिटी है, ये एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है, आप अटेंड करोगे, आई एम ऑलवेज ओपन बिकॉज आई नो how the conscious and the subconscious mind works, and I know how my conscious mind filters and stores information. Because doing such extensive work on my own self, and then I started picking up guinea pigs. Obviously we choose our family members. So I started doing it with my husband. I started doing it with my children and close friends and mom and dad. जो मिल जाता था ना, उनको बिठा देती थी. I found out the core to train a person is to open the filter between the conscious and the subconscious mind. Where lies, you know, his growth or her growth in her professional and personal life. So now came the big question. How do I convince the corporates or people whom I meet कि भाई what modalities I'm going to use is going to help you in your professional life? Because clinical hypnotherapy बोलो ना तो डर लग जाता है. अरे हमको hypnotize कर देंगे. ठीक है ना? NLP is still accepted, but clinical hypnotherapy is not. Access consciousness, lot of people have not heard about it. Tibetan sound balls, what is this? There's a device which I had used in Jitendra's office and he had a magical experience. I'll use the word magical because magic वहीं पे है. वो filter है ना जो conscious और subconscious mind में है. So I have called a device which is called an HRV device, heart rate variability device. जिस चीज से इंसान के थॉट प्रोसेस, इंसान के इमोशंस, इंसान का कंसंट्रेशन, इंसान का फोकस भी समझ में आता है, इंक्लूडिंग योर हार्ट रेट्स और जो बेसिक्स होता है. सो आई सेड हाउ डू आई कन्विंस द कॉर्पोरेट्स? सो अगेन जहां पे ऑलरेडी मैं ट्रेनिंग्स ले रही थी, जहां पे ऑलरेडी मेरा एक फुटेज था, वहां पे आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. ऑलरेडी माय ट्रेनिंग्स वाज बेस्ड ऑन कलर्स. So I'll just share a PPT just to give you a little idea, a couple of pictures, and then we'll move this ahead. Can Jitendra, would I be able to share the screen? You will have to enable the screen sharing for me.
Yes, I'll give you right away.
Yeah.
Just a second.
So in the meanwhile, I'll inform about the magical experience that Jolly took. So we were doing training for my staff at our office, and Jolly had, she has put this device on somebody. So it's a device you put it on your ear.
Yeah.
And one of our recruiters, she actually went into a trance mode. So the device shows you the heartbeat pattern, the brain activity, and various other statics. And after the trainings that Jolly had did, so we could see that she had entered into sort of a trance. So when you enter into a trance, then your subconscious mind completely opens up. So then you put anything into that subconscious mind, the mind will grasp it with the most what should I say, fast way possible and the most accurate way possible. ऐसी चीजें then you don't forget that lifelong.
You can
Yeah.
share the screen now.
Yeah, just a minute. You'll have to give me a second. So Jitendra, you can add something till I manage this. Yes.
Jitendra, you are on mute.
Yeah, just a minute. There's a problem that's happening. Just give me a second. Yeah. Yeah.
So
thank you.
one
No,
of
no,
our
I'll get it done. Just give me a second. Yeah, yeah. I think I am very close. Yeah. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, visible.
Yes. Yeah. Fine. Thank you. Just give me one more second. Yeah. So I'm just passing on the slides, but I'm not interested in sharing about this. What I'm more interested in sharing is this. That is what I do in my trainings. I use a lot of colors in my trainings. A lot of kids' toys in my trainings. I have designed 83 soft skill modules based on color therapy. So color plays a very important part. I use Uno cards, I use normal cards, and the modules are communications, decision making, all that we talk in soft skills, presentation skills, but it happens through this activities. This is the Tibetan sound bowls that I do. Why I wanted to share these pictures, is I found out a tremendous growth in the organization's profit. I saw that the turnover of the employees have reduced. Now, in the coming year, we are going to quantify it. Quantification is going to be my next leap, where I would be able to talk with the corporates and tell them if this is the amount of money you are investing in the employees, this is the profit that they would give you. And if it is not tenfold, so if you are giving a salary of 50,000 per month, and if the employee is not giving you a turnover or a business of 5 lakhs, we need to really think about whom we are employing. Because I have found out that in organizations, it is the employees who run the organization. And if you have the right kind of employees, there is nothing that's going to stop you from success. So my next 2021 work is in quantifying it. It's a lengthier process. I am looking for a lot of modalities to merge and all that. So basically, this is what I have understood. And this is how I take my trainings. Thankfully for me now, 2020 Corona helped me open up a lot of things. So I'm a very physical person. If you've seen my trainings, I use a lot of colors into trainings and a lot of toys into trainings. And I believe in energies. So I have worked on my energy. So I know what energies I'm bringing on the table when I'm taking my training. But Jitendra opened up the world of online trainings for me. He just called me up one day. He said, Jolly, NLP karna hai. मैंने कहा NLP अकेले नहीं करते, subconscious mind भी करते. कहते चलो done. We did a trial program with him, and I've been running that program successfully thanks to Jitendra. So now I think जो मेरा खुद का barrier था, जो मैं filter कर रही थी कि I need to be physically present for trainings, I need to use this toys for trainings. I have very say successfully blended online trainings also. I'm not saying no to physical trainings, but now two worlds have opened up for me. So I get calls with people saying, "Arey, ab to online ho sakta hai anywhere in the world. Chalo training shuru kar." So actually, it has grown for me, and I would like to thank Jitendra again for that. So this is a little thing about what I do. I believe in action. So if there are any questions, I would answer. But this is what I do in my trainings. Yeah, thank you, Jitendra. Over to you.
Jolly, if you can throw some light on sound therapy, access bar therapy, so our
Yeah,
participants will get more idea how they can utilize the same in during their training sessions.
Fine. So why do we do sound therapy? Sound therapy usually we do at the start of the training. See, any person, I would, I would suggest, like for me as a person, when I start my day, I do self healing by, if you had seen the picture, there's a gong and there are, so I give a sound session for the house for the first 10 minutes of the day, whenever I get them, early morning, Sound has got the power to enter your brain faster, healing faster than anything else. So, and Tibetan sound balls are so powerful. I think Jitendra has experienced one at my place, and I would request everybody to go for a physical sound session anywhere you are around. I am always open. Please, you are most welcome to my place. And I feel that when I start the session with a sound session of 10 to 15 minutes, when participants are sitting on their chairs and all that, you don't even need to lie down. Their filter that I'm talking about opens faster, first thing. Second, all the emotions and all the pains that they have stored releases, sound heals that. Again, I use the HRV device that we were talking about. I do it at the start of the session, at the end of the session. I complete the session again with a sound, mini 5-7 minute sound session with one Tibetan ball to close that filter. Because what happens is, it's very important कि अगर आप ये filter खोलते हो तो उसको आपको close भी करना है. Because every time you can't keep your subconscious, it's always active, but you can't keep it active all the time because it's going to be very tiring for your conscious mind. So working on this, we keep these games, we keep a lot of things. so that a person heals the emotional trauma that he brings to the table. And when he is in the office, he is able to switch on and switch off his emotions. So if I am working now with you all, I know my emotions are switched off. आई नो कि मैं अगर आप लोगों के साथ बात कर रही हूँ इस वक्त तो आई एम 100% योर आई हैव नथिंग गोइंग ऑन इन द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड कि ये काम बाकी है वो काम बाकी नो so the switch on and switch off is also very important. And how wonderful it would be if these participants come to, I mean, whoever is getting trained comes to their organization, even if it's an owner or a trainer. वो ऑफिस में आता है 10 to 6 तो he gives 100% 10 to 6. चलो बीच में there is a module that I tell that you should always give a person a break after 1.5 hours because that's when the filter opens up. आप 1.5 घंटे का ब्रेक दो उसको 5 मिनट चाय पिला दो so even in my trainings I allow people to have tea in the middle of the trainings, have coffee, have chocolates because I know that's the time they need to understand that the filter is opening. तो हमें जब भी भूख लगती है, हमें जब भी प्यास लगती है, we feel that hunger pangs, it is a signal telling that the filter is open. And then you have to be very cautious about what you speak, what you think, what you do, because whatever the conscious mind will do will automatically get stored in the subconscious mind. And yes, उसके बाद क्या होता है ये जब फिल्टर खुल जाता है ना मुझे पता है कि अब participants have opened up, so all these toys, all this color therapies, उसके बाद जो टिपिकल पीपीटीज होते हैं ना कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के ये बोलना ऐसे खड़े रहना ऐसे करना पीपल हैव walked on the dais and spoken in English. So I have a case, a classic case in Apollo Hospital. This person says मैं जिंदगी में कभी इंग्लिश नहीं बोलूंगा क्योंकि मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. So the emotion was there for being an Indian. There was anger towards the organization who was trying to tell the employee to speak in English. And believe me, they had a 2-day training. It was Apollo Cancer Hospital that was doing this training in 2017, if I remember it right. And एक दिन का ये पूरा ट्रेनिंग आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड उसका फिल्टर्स कब खुल रहा है व्हाट टू स्पीक बिकॉज आई आल्सो नो व्हाट टू स्पीक व्हेन and we worked on the next day morning he's coming good morning and he read the ppts, he was speaking in English and the organization was shocked because he was one of the oldest employees that could have oldest employee. They didn't want, he was very good at his work, but only because of speaking in Hindi and his rigidity, they were not able to, give him the right promotions and everything. So this was a very classic example. And that's when we realized, and, during the trainings, even I realized. So again, color therapy, why I am insisting on colors. Colors has got such a soothing effect. हम कपड़े क्यों white and black नहीं पहनते? If we go for festivals, if we go for, so colors open up your creative brain. So you all know that we have a left brain and a right brain, and there's a critical brain and a creative brain. So हम इतने critical, analytical, logical brains में चले जाते हैं कि we close our creative sides. And believe me, success happens when your creative side opens up. Even in a professional approach, client के साथ क्या बात करनी है, कौन सा joke मारना है जिस वक्त, that's all your creative brains that are working at that point, or give the right kind of smile, or order the right kind of juice. A lot of things that your body is doing is actually your creative brain getting active. And in color therapy, we work on shapes and colors both. So shapes is analyzed by your critical brain, but colors is recognized by your creative brain, and it opens up the world of creativity. So all the employees whose creative brain gets activated would give more business, more creative ideas to the organizations, would come up with something new, and that's what color therapy is about. So,
Jolly,
yeah.
Can you give a practical example or a practical thing where we can identify more with the color therapies and sound therapy? Especially, we talked about the benefits, but
Yes.
in the way how it is implemented in the actual training.
So for that, we will need a longer session because, आज I have not told, okay, bring your colors and
Yeah.
book and pen,
But
you
then
know.
how do you conduct such trainings? If you can just share some light on this.
So see, live in Zoom, I'm giving the sound sessions. You know, I went the loud sessions, and for colors now I'm using chalk colors and pencils, and we do a lot of things where they sit across and they do it on screen. You know, so that's how I do. Otherwise, like the photos I shared now, you know, we have a lot of toys. Now that's what I'm saying. कि I used to think कि अगर ये toys नहीं होंगे तो मैं क्या करूंगी? But the power is of colors and not about toys, right? So now we have chalk colors and sketch pens and so many colorful things that we have around us. Like the cup that I am drinking coffee has color, and color is very powerful to activate your creativity. So this is how it goes about. Jitendra, example in the case, if everybody has a paper and some colors, we can do it live. But we had not actually pre-informed them, so I don't expect people to have so many colors around them. I do have, but I don't know about others.
Uh, can we do an activity, small activity? Is it feasible for everyone, or shall we move on some other questions? If the group can guide me here, because I have been a part of Jolly's activities, so I know they work for a certain. But as it was not mentioned earlier, so it will be difficult. But I would really like to get the guidance from the group.
एक दो कलर्स तो सबके पास अभी अराउंड
Exactly, colors अगर आप अपने आसपास देखोगे तो मिल ही जाएंगे. Thank you Amit ji. This is what I wanted. This is how that filter is opening to receive. You know, this is what I'm saying. कि अगर ढूंढोगे तो मिल ही जाएगा. घर पे पेन्स ये वो कुछ कहीं से भी colors मिल जाएंगे. Okay, office में. Yeah. So I'm giving 2-3 minutes. I'm also bringing a paper or a book and a couple of pens. Right? Let's start. Just give me a second.
Jitendra bhai, what we have to collect meanwhile? Can you guide us?
Any color and a paper.
Any colors of the papers or any object you can say.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So I am ready with my colors. I'll show you. I have quite some stock. So if you come to my house, we always use a lot of colors in our conversations, and we are going to give you a feel of the sound too. So because I do it in my trainings, it's actually very easy for me to assemble a lot of things. It's only that we had not told the participants that Are you able to hear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and quite clearly?
Yeah.
The sound is still going on. Who's still able to hear the sound?
It's gone very minute now.
Yeah, but are you still able to get
Yes.
a feel, the vibration? Yes. Okay, I'm going to hit it once again. Okay, you raise your hand till you can hear the sound and put your hands down. So I understand that you're able to listen. Now, why am I saying this? Because I'm still able to hear, obviously because of the proximity, but because my subconscious mind is open also. The sound goes on for such a long time. So people who sit in meditation, people who have been doing yoga, people have been doing deep breathing exercises will be able to hear this sound for a longer time. Don't force yourself to hear, because the sound is entering the body and the vibrations. Okay, so if somebody is experiencing for the first time, Please be honest with yourself. And it's okay if you have heard, nahi sunai diya. It's okay. Please don't worry. Abhi aapka filter nahi khula hai. What I'm trying to say is, jab tak sunai de sound, because I'm going to hit it hard, just keep your hands like this so that I understand कि अभी भी चल रहा है. And I understand कि आपका filter is easier to open, right? Because this is the right way of opening. So we'll give the sound one more. Right? 1, 2, 3. Actually now, for me, because I have just, given a sound, this is going to go for 15 to 17 minutes while I'm talking to you.
I can hear पीछे से मतलब vibes आ रहे हैं थोड़े.
Vibrations आएंगे. I'm telling
Vibrations
you
आ
this. If you are careful, ये अब 15 से 17 मिनट चलने वाला है. So see the kind of energies and the cleansing that is happening of your mind, of your body. So there are times when there will be certain pains in your body, some neck pain, some back pain, इतना powerful है ये sound. अच्छा किसी को yes Padma. Yes
Yeah. Jolly, for me, this sound therapy is very painful. I have gone through this sound therapy earlier also, but then I told my therapist no. So right now also, when it was first time, I was not aware of that you had hit it. This time, now my headache has started and I'm going mad.
Yeah. So I'll tell you, Padma, why this is happening. Thanks for raising this. What is happening is, Padma, we have so much things stored in our subconscious mind, So because when I went for my first session, I got irritated. You had a headache, I got irritated. I said, this noise is disturbing me. For the first time when I went, I'll tell you what happens. There's so much stored in our subconscious mind. So many files we have registered. ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, वैसे ही होना चाहिए. This has happened to me. You understand the kind of files I'm saying. All painful files. Now, this sound is actually coming to you to heal you, but you don't know which file to open up to heal. Na? So all the files at the same time are trying to offer themselves to get healed. So when you do a one-to-one session with somebody, I would request you, if you go to anybody, if you come to me, you have to tell and open up of a specific problem. कि मुझे ये हो रहा है.
Okay.
All are adjusted. See what happens is, आप ऐसे ही, you're right, मैं ऐसे ही मारूंगी. How do I know what you all are carrying? And that's what we do with the participants. So my first thing is that I make them write 5 things that's coming to your thoughts now. Randomly, I tell them, take a paper and pen and write 5 things. वो लिखेंगे, आज इस पे गुस्सा आया, आज ट्रेन लेट हो गई. What I'm trying to tell you is, all these random thoughts are files that want to jump out of your subconscious mind. Heal us, heal us, heal us. Or remove us, or rewrite us. So we can't delete them. So, basically, अपना subconscious mind इतना heavy हो जाता है, वो बोल रहा है कि करो इसका कुछ. Because now it's full. The sound is definitely going to irritate you because all the files will come out together. So I would request you, see, I agree with you. So मैं भी बहुत सारी modalities करती हूँ ना, some work, some doesn't work for us. But why it doesn't work for us has always been my question, And if you ponder on this, you will understand that basically these modalities are just to be blended together, and what works for you, works for you. What works for me, works for me. Right?
Right.
So I completely agree if it doesn't work for you. But what I have understood is that these are the reasons. One of the reasons. There may be many. And we can always ponder on that.
Yeah.
Yes? So I hope, मेरे लिए तो वो sound चल रहा है अभी भी. So now that we have colors and we have an A4 size paper. Good. If you have a book or a paper or a bigger paper, you just give 2 sections to it. Yes. So as a trainer, as a recruiter, please keep a bundle of A4 size papers. I think A4 size paper is one of the best investments that has happened. You know, sorry, we should save paper, I agree, but use a full paper. Okay, take any of the random colors that you like, you fold it into 2. Okay, on your left side, and your left side, the left brain is your logical brain. So on your left page, on your left side, you write 5 people that you dislike currently. 5 नाम लिख लो. अच्छा, मेरे लिए अभी ये डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है, पर मैं फिर भी ऐसे ना ढूंढ के चुन पहले मेरे पास 500 थे, अभी मैं चुन के 5 नेम्स लिखने वाली. And use colors only for writing their names. So don't write in black and white. Okay? Of colors is सिर्फ नाम लिख. Okay? Or write a single letter. ठीक है ना? See, now this happens. If you you don't have much files in your subconscious, but I'm going to think. Yes. Okay, so I could manage to write 4, which is okay. Write 4, 5, but don't move beyond 5. Try to write 4, 5. Okay, I've just written the initials of that person. It's your choice what you want to do. Now on the right side, that's your right brain. Okay, just think of 5 fruits that you like. 5 fruit. आप draw भी कर सकते हो. That's the color now, and that's how it's in. 5 fruits जो आपको पसंद है. And I'll tell you why we are doing this stupid activity, but please trust me on this. Okay, this is a tried and tested method that I'm using. I won't go for anything random. Okay, and if you have the colors, use that color for that fruit, just to be more creative. The peach is my favorite color, so I'll use the color peach. Again, I love mangoes. Is there anybody in this group who doesn't love mangoes? You can unmute yourself. Jitendra knows I can send some one of the best mangoes around, organic mangoes. Yeah. Great. So 5 fruits. And it's a random shape. You can choose whatever shape you like. Okay, I love the grapes also. The green ones especially. I love plum. I hope that's what it's called. I love the plum very much. Just, it takes a couple of minutes. Yes. And I like the apple also. Yeah, fine. Let's go for apple. Has everybody finished? Fine, great. Now the idea behind this is that there are 4 names that you dislike and 5 fruits that you like. Okay. Now every time you think about that person, every time you think about something that that person has done with you, every time you want to curse and give cuss words to that person, you will not do that. You will try to eat a fruit, or if that person is available and if the fruit is available, give that fruit. I'll give peach to X, Mr. H. I would give a mango to K. I would give a plum to S. Or I'm just match the following. I'm going to match the following जो हम school में करते हैं. Okay. I am associating my favorite food to the person I dislike. And I am now going, every time I think about that person, I'm going to think about that fruit first. This is how we have very softly linked the conscious and the subconscious. You got what I'm saying? As simple as that. Every time now, if you think of a person edge, I'm going to think about the fruit peach. And if I get a chance, and if I meet that person, I will either eat that fruit or gift that to that person. I think there's a noise coming. If somebody can, yeah, thank you. What have we done? We have used colors, we have used shapes, we have used the left brain and the right brain. And you'll tell me, how am I going to remember this, Jolly? How am I going to remember this? Trust me, you're going to remember this if you've done the activity. कहीं कहीं तो कई कई के बार उसके चेहरे के बदले आपको पीच मैंगो एप्पल उसके चेहरे पे दिखाई देगा and there'll be a smile on your face. Don't make fun of that person. I'm just telling, this is how we resolve conflicts, and conflict resolution is one of the biggest things that organizations are facing today. The only trouble that they come up and share with me is कि यार ये आदमी और ये आदमी दोनों अच्छे पर दोनों का जमता नहीं है यार. We need both of them in the organization, but they both can't sit and have a cup of tea together. ये कोई decision लेता है तो so what I'm trying to say is क्या ये activity help कर सकती है? Trust me on this. We are not making fun of anybody. We are just opening the filter and relaxing and rewriting the files that we have written for that person, the perception that we have stored, saying कि ये आदमी गलत ही है. So every time I think of a person H, I'm going to think about peach, and peach is what I love. Obviously, my mind is going to get diverted to the fruit, to the taste, to the good memories I've had with peach, and it's going to relax my mind. It's going to relax my body. It's going to relax my body language. I'll have the right body language, even if I'm talking firmly to that person. And that's how we bring it into the soft. You may dislike a person. You may have to tell that person very firmly that this is not what he or she is supposed to do. But how do we do with the right kind of body language is what such kind of activities would help. Jitendra, I think, is this fine? Or you want
Yes,
more?
yes.
You have become greedy, Jitendra. You have become greedy. I'll say that.
No,
Yes.
because I've experienced the benefits of this, so that's why I've become greedy. So we have seen color therapy, we experienced the sound also. If you can shed some light on access bar therapy, because it's also a new term for me as well, and I'm sure a lot
So,
of us may not be knowing about
so
it.
who is aware of access bar? So it would be easier for me. Who's heard this for the first time? You can unmute. I think we have less participants. If you want to speak up, you please unmute. Any of the
I've
participants?
never heard of this.
Access consciousness. Good. Anybody has heard of access consciousness or access bar therapy? No.
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 Good. Chalo,
No.
good. Good. I can speak what I want. No, jokes apart. So how did access come into my life? Being a soft skill trainer, being into analysis, being into more logical thinking and all that. Yes, I definitely started working on the sound therapy. I was definitely working on the subconscious mind. But I was still looking for a modality to rewrite. You know, जो मैंने अभी आपके साथ ये therapy की है, where I'm actually telling you to rewrite. I was again looking for the honest approach क्योंकि ये activity I know आप लोगों ने आज किया है. You will think कि ये चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. वैसे ही doubts मेरे मन में आ रहे थे when I was doing these activities with the participants. ऐसे जब मैं ही किसी को माफ नहीं कर पाऊंगी, जब मैं ही grudges रखूंगी, तो how would I tell my participants that you don't do this in your professional life, you don't do this in your personal life? I said I need to definitely do something about this. And that's how access, and I believe into a lot of energies, you know, how we are all energies, and I've been reading a lot about cosmic energies and vibration. So I always feel that when you're ready to receive, na, wo aapke, you know, it comes serving in a bowl. So one of my very close friends was actually after my back 2 साल से, कविता, कि चल करते हैं. मैं बोला चल रहे ठीक है, मेरा कॉर्पोरेट अच्छा चल रहा है, तू क्या सर खा रही है. And one fine day, I just called her up. I said, "No, Kavita, let's do it." Now that day changed my life. It was 30th March 2017. And I think I'm a completely different person after that. Now, what is access consciousness? Access consciousness is about two parts. One, the theory part, which I'll share later, and one is the physical session. So there are 32 points on your head which the therapist will touch, just touch, lightly touch, like this, like this, like this, okay? Like this. So this is the implant bar, this is the sorrow and the laughter part. So there are points that are assigned. According to the modality, it says there are 32 parallel bars running in your body, which starts from your brain. So even if somebody has a medical background and all, they have confirmed this. And I belong to a family of 29 doctors and 3 neurosurgeons and neurologists in there. So you can understand how much I would have to be conscious about what I speak, because I have 29 doctors behind my back telling me साइंस ये नहीं बोल रहा है, मेडिकल ये नहीं बोल रहा है. So I have even had discussions with him. So they say, yeah, you're right. Obviously, the brain and our central nervous system works everything and all. So by touching this, just lightly touching this point, we are actually opening up your subconscious. Now, open up करना ही काम नहीं है. The more important thing is the theory of access consciousness. So that session has been given, you will feel lighter in the head. You will feel as if, you've gone into a meditation pose, people will sleep. So it takes around 45 minutes to 3 hours, this session, just touching the points. You are lying down, you may go into sleep and the therapist is just touching the points. It's a wonderful experience, believe me. It's like a spa treatment where nobody gives you like hardcore massage, but it's a good relaxing thing. But it's the theory that is important. Now, what does access say? Access say that everything we think and everything we do and everything we believe in is questionable. So rather than finding answers, it's always better to be in a question. And access doesn't believe in bucket list. Okay, this is what I am. Access definitely believes in planning. 5-year plan, 10-year plans. But access doesn't believe in bucket list. कि ये मुझे करना ही है. मुझे ये करना है is an answer. There is a full stop to it. Access says always be in a question. And the universe is there to answer it. Now this combination actually is so wonderful. And it's a very deep-rooted theory. And there is a 1-day class and there are 4-day class to access. Now what do I do? So there are a lot of participants. Like if Padma was sitting over here with me and Padma was going through these headaches, I know which point to touch at that point of time. I hope Padma is still there in the session because I and Padma know each other.
I am Jolly, I'm there.
Yes. I've attended her session. She's a very powerful trainer herself. So, Padma, I know which point at this point of time, like you just were mentioning, you had a sorrow that has come in your family. So we know which point to touch lightly to release you from that blockages or that pain that you have. So access again is a modality which is very peaceful, very calming. Anybody who would like to have a free session, first session is most welcome at my place with your mask on now that it's Corona. But this is wonderful. So access again, because कोई participant आ रहा है, ma'am lunch में आ रहा है, मुझे headache हो रहा है. So okay, I know. They speak up and I touch. But access theory is what I'm using continuously in my trainings, whether it is even my NLP. So I've even merged my NLP training and my access training together. Because NLP has a very deep-rooted connection with hypnotherapy. NLP is also using his presuppositions and pillars and all, which access is telling in a different way. So all these combinations is what it works. I think I can go on for hours, but Jitendra, don't you think we have a time slot also?
Yes. I think Padma ji was having some questions.
Yeah, please. I'm open to questions.
Definitely, this would not be related to professional life, but then I was just, listening to this and things were going in my mind. I wanted to check, will this access bar theory help out somebody who is going through severe anxiety post-COVID?
Of course, that is like a byproduct.
Okay.
See, what happens is, that's what I'm saying. Why touching the point? See, why it is in two parts. There is a theory part also, but there are some people who whose logical brain or the conscious brain is always filtering, नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है, is it magic, क्या इतना easy होता तो इतने सारे doctors और COVID को कैसे treat करते, ये वो, you know, your logical brain has always answers. By touching the points, we are surpassing your conscious mind and letting your subconscious mind do the healing or the work that has to be done, or the anxiety problem, or the worry, or the pain, or the abuse, whatever is stored. So that's the reason Access has been divided into two parts.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
So it's going to be like first session में उसका anxiety. I have lot of people who come up to me. मेरा बच्चा 12th में है, मेरा बच्चा US जाने वाला है, मेरा business बंद हो गया है. And then one session has been so powerful.
Any other questions if anybody wants to ask? Yeah, Vipul bhai.
So my question is like जो sound therapy का आपने बोला, so temples में, church में जो bells वगैरह होते हैं, so it has relation with the sound therapy?
Of course it has a relationship. That's the reason. That's the reason कि वहाँ पे घंटा, बेल ये सब होता है. The problem is जब हम मंदिर जाते हैं, हम अपने बच्चों को उठा के बोलते हैं बजाओ, okay, बजाओ, right? But basically अगर आप घर पे भी हो या आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, what you need to do is यही करना है.
So I know for a fact certain modalities that Jolly is talking about, since I know her personally, I know the kind of cases she's handling. Currently, she's handling with a patient who has suicidal thoughts. In the past, she has handled patients. There was a rape victim, and the victim and the person who committed the crime were living in the same house. And know the extent to which that person had gone into depression and other things. Even Jolly was able to pull the victim out of a severe depression. So I know for a fact the kind of work she does. We are open to any other questions, or if not, then we would be. I think Amalda has a question. Yeah. Amalda, you are on mute. Jolly, Amalda is one of the Bhishma Pitamas of our industries. He's the most senior recruiter in our industry, and we all look up to him for inspiration and for knowledge.
It's an honor to meet you, sir.
No, thank you very much for a very enlightening session as such. You see, what I do is whenever I work, or now, of course, the work has shifted to home, you know, that's what it is. I always have a background music playing, either it is sitar or some instrument, you know, music is always playing. So sometimes you are conscious of it, that you are listening, sometimes you are not, you know, but I found that it is a very positive distraction that you have, and it builds you. You feel so refreshed, you know, whenever you are talking, or whenever, even or sometimes when you are on the phone, a light music, you know, it helps to, you know, create a very positive way of your interaction with people. That's what my, you know, observation has been.
Definitely, sir. See, everybody is into soft music instrument. I know a dental doctor who has done wonderful surgeries with me, and she always have an instrumental soft music playing on, or a sitar playing, or Zakir Hussein's tabla in the soft music. I appreciate that. That's the start of it. But what these Tibetan balls are doing is a stage higher than that, sir. And that's what I have found out a difference. Now I'll share something about myself. गाने का बहुत शौक था. Books English पढ़ती थी, पर गाने हिंदी ही सुना करती थी. Now see again, you know, you have these filters. You know, now I'm open to everything. But there was a time in my life where I used to read a lot of fiction books, which has to be in English, but all Bollywood or Bollywood songs sunti thi, like Kishore Kumar or Rafi. So I had a radio in my kitchen. I used to get up at 4:45 to cook for my son tiffin and all that. सुबह उठ के आँख खुल के पहले म्यूजिक चालू होता था, फिर दिन चालू होता था. So till I used to cook, till I used to finish my household activities, it used to take a couple of hours. This music used to be on. And I would definitely give credit, like Amal sir said, for what personality I am. Because 2 घंटे अच्छी music सुन के अगर आप कहीं काम पे जाओ तो obviously energy shift हो गई है. Obviously you are feeling so positive. Obviously you are feeling like, oh God, I'm going to now conquer the world. You know, वो आ ही जाता है. What he's telling is a positive distraction. ये तो चल ही रहा था मेरी लाइफ में. What Tibetan did is heal it permanently. See, what we are doing is positive distractions for some period of time. Then sometimes these distractions becomes like addictions. Sometimes. What I found powerful about this bowls is there is no addiction. मैं ये साल भर बाद भी सुनूंगी ना, तो इसका healing power is stored in me, and that is where it blew my mind, saying, oh my, how powerful is our subconscious mind. कि साल भर बाद भी अगर मैं इसको बजा रही हूँ, तो it has that impact on me. That is a stage higher than what you're saying, sir. I appreciate how we all start. Music has to be playing a musical instrument, singing a song, dancing, any creative things that we do, reading a book, cooking. I believe in all the creative things that has to be part of a life. But what I'm talking is again a stage higher than what you have said.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Amalda. Actually, I was feeling guilty myself because I myself listen to a lot of classical music while I'm working. And I
Okay.
thought I'm addicted to it and I want to get rid of it. But now I feel that this is a positive thing that I'm doing.
Yes.
And
That's great.
I listen to Darbar Festival channel on YouTube. It's a
Oh,
great
very
classical
good.
channel. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Jitendra.
So I think with this, we've already overstepped the time allocated for the session. So I would like to thank you, Jolly, and over to Vipul Bhai for the concluding remarks.
If still anyone has any question, then it's welcome.
I think Amit Bhai has a question.
Yeah, it's a simple question. Any suggestion for colors to be used in cabin or in office?
Oh, sir, you just made the business for the stationery world, you know. So, office का जो environment होता है ना has to be full of colors. You may have a black and white professional background. There are a lot of places where you can use colors. And currently I'm sitting in my daughter's room and I'm lucky to share with you how we use colors for her. Can everybody see this? Guys,
Yes.
I hope it's not bright. You know, all our notepads in different shapes. Again, I'm going to talk about shapes and this. Now, she is a student of 8th grade. And why does she need to do this? This is an investment. Like books are investments, colors are investment. Never stop yourself. See, don't go for expensive stuff. Who's telling you to go for expensive stuff and buy a pen of maybe 500 and 1000? I just recently found out कि 1000 रुपए 2000 रुपए का भी पेन है. मैं कहा 2000 रुपए में तो हमारे साल भर के पेन्स आ जाते. Because पेन की इंक important है मेरे लिए. You know. So please understand, you can use lot of colorful stationery. But again, sir, color therapy is a very powerful thing. Every color has an impact. और सब बोलते हैं रेड से एंगर होता है, ब्लू से ऐसा होता है, येलो कामिंग है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. कौन सा कलर आपके लिए वर्क होता है, ये आपको खुद को पता ही होगा. Your subconscious mind knows this.
Yeah.
You just need to open up to that. So whichever color, so the ring that I'm wearing, if you all see, is a part of my color therapy. And you know, it's a fake ring. ज़्यादा कोई महंगी नहीं है. But there's a color into it. So which color works is very important. But if you want to do a session, we can do a session. It's a very powerful medium. But trial and error say the color will choose you. I assure you that.
There
Because
should be
it happens-
colors.
Huh?
There should be colors instead of
There
just
should be
plain
colors
dark.
and the colors will choose you, sir. Colors आपको choose करेंगे, sir. Colors are so powerful. Rainbow, peacocks, they are such powerful
Yes.
colors in nature. Color आपको choose कर ही लेगा. मेरे लिए यही हुआ था. Colors choose me और वो journey मेरे लिए बहुत लंबा हो गया था. Now I have designed a structure where it becomes easier. The gap between all the colors are powerful for you, but which color to use when for which individual? Yeah, that's again a big you know, it's an enjoyable session, but yes, it's a journey that we have to take.
So are you suggesting there should be, of course, color will choose us, but are you suggesting that there should be colorful atmosphere instead of just one or two or three colors?
Yes, definitely. Like I will tell you that when we were renovating our house, we saw to it that there are streaks of colors somewhere. मतलब अगर आप मेरा घर देखोगे तो it's wood finish and all that, but you will find some streaks of colors which thankfully my husband introduced to me. even in the office, even in the dress that you wear, you know, rather than going for color coordinations, there has to be a streak of color that has to come out, and that's your power. So आप 2-3 colors लो, but there has to be a bright yellow or a bright orange streaking out, you know, that's what I mean, because that is what is going to give you energy. So I know there are, my brother has made his whole bathroom black. Now, black is supposed to be a negative color. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So he has a whole bathroom in his house which is black tiles and everything is black, but he has a good streak of blue that is flowing on one of the walls. Enough. So the color has to just, you know, be loud and be able to talk to you.
Oh,
Yeah, so that's what I meant. So, and ये experiment ही करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को, because otherwise you'll have to go for the session. But I'm telling you, colors are so powerful, they will choose you. Don't worry. Start trying. Colors will choose you. I promise you that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, it was amazing. मुझे लग रहा है सबको मजा आया होगा. Thank you, Jitendra bhai, for introducing Julie Kotecha ji. It was amazing session and people would have loved it. And thank you everyone for participating in today's session. See you all again on some another webinar. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting
you
me.
all.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
I'll